everyone, thanks for joining me. I am Bonnie Krebs from Art Impressions, and thank you to the fabulous Expo team for another awesome event. I love Halloween, it's one of my favorites, and I have so much to show you. And in addition to everything we have for Halloween, we have a brand new holiday release, so I'm going to show you those sets too. So first, let me tell you about our special. It is 25% off of our entire website. Now that includes our newest release as well. 25% off everything on our website. That does not include our clearance items. Those things are already discounted, but everything else is 25% off. You will need coupon code 𝐲𝐢𝐼𝐲2020. So put that into the little area where it says coupon code and get your 25% off at artimpressions.com. So head over there and you're gonna wanna pick up some of these awesome Halloween sets. So let's get going. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is our newest addition to our Twisters line. Now this is a really popular line. We came out with this at our last release, and the concept here is that the die cuts a window out and you notch in your little stamp set. So this is a front and back, and they just notch right in like this. So you can see the front of the witch and you can see the back of her like this. So these are the newest releases, the little Santa and the little witch. I just think she's so cute with her little green face. Love her. And this is what they are. So each one of these sets comes with 3 sentiments as well as the front and back. And the dies are included to cut these out. Now you will need the little window die also. So this is also on our website. This will cut out the opening, and you can notch that in. So you can see the little notch holes right here. The little image notches right into there, easily in and out, and it stays, and you can just flip her back and forth like this. Here's our little Santa. Isn't he cute? He also does the same thing. He just flips back and forth, just like this. And you can see the back of him as well. Super cute. Here's a traditional way of doing it. Our design team member made it the traditional way on a string, and you can see how cute she is. You can just wind her up and she'll just spin. She's so excited for Halloween. So very cute. These are the 2 brand new ones, Little Witch and the Santa. You're gonna love those. This one too, this is brand new. Now this is a clear set, and in this clear set, the dies are included. So there are dies to cut out all these little characters. You've got the little owl, you've got the little fox, a bunny, and the little raccoon. Lots and lots of sentiments on here. I mean, we try to just jam these sets full of sentiments. Just every little nook and cranny, we try to put something in. And dies will cut out all of the images. So I gotta show you some of these cards because they are just so darn cute. Our design team is just fabulous. And how cute are these little guys? So cute. In their little costumes. This one says, "Which better have my candy?" And he's got his little cape on. So cute. Have a frightfully awesome Halloween. Love it. Little candies are so cute. Little spider. Look how cute these are colored. You can put them in any order, group them together. How cute is this little tag? Wouldn't that be cute on a little Halloween basket? Little pumpkin. So cute. And you can see how these are all cut out with the dies that are included. Love them. And this one, isn't this just so cute? I just love the coloring on that so much. That little owl is so cute. Love these guys. Here he is in a little circle. So cute. And the little bunny again. So this one, like I said, is loaded. It's got tons of stamps on here and dies included in this set. So you will want to, you'll want to have that one for sure. This one, I love this new set. Now these are gift card holders. So I love these. There are 5 in this series. Here is the Halloween one. And let me tell you what the concept is with these. This is the envelope die. And you need this first. This is the template, and it creates the envelope that all of these are made from. So here they are. Here's the little envelope folded together. Now there is a full tutorial on YouTube on how to put each of these together. And like I said, there are 5. There are 2. Here are the 2 Halloween ones, little cat and the little pumpkin. These are dies only, so there are no stamps involved. They are just dies. You cut them out in various colors. And there is a guide back here that tells you what every piece is so that you can see, oh, that's the mouth. I'm going to cut that out in black. That's the pumpkin. I'm going to cut that out in orange. And you can just kind of create these however you want to. And they will attach directly to your envelope. And you can make these really fun little gift card holders. Your gift card just slips right inside. It would be so cute in a stocking, obviously for Christmas, or in a little trick-or-treat basket. Here's the little snowman. Isn't he cute? It's little waving his little stick arm right there. And again, here's the concept with these. The hats, when they're open, the envelope is open. The hats fold down, and that's the little notch that notches into the little slot that closes the envelope. So this just notches in here like that, closes the envelope, and it's shut and ready to go. Here's the little Santa. So you can see you just cut the envelope out in the color that you want, and put your gift card in here. Here's the hat down again and up. A really good idea is to punch a little hole in here and hang this on a tree. Wouldn't that be cute? Put your gift card in, make it personal. And let me show you that envelope template. So this also comes with extra dies. There are lots of little tags, 1, 2, 3, 4 little tags, and then different accessories here so that you can kind of dress up your envelope however you want to. So let me show you again what these are. Here are the 2 Halloween ones, the little cat and the pumpkin. And then we've got 2 for Christmas, the snowman and the Santa. And all the dies are included in here. So the same. The dies are included as well as the instructions. And like I said, go to Art Impressions on YouTube and you will see that instructional on how to put all of these together. And then of course the coffee. A coffee gift card is just such a great gift. Everybody loves that. And you can dress this up for any holiday. So here, of course, is the Christmas one, but how cute would that be for Halloween? Just whatever paper you choose, that is going to be your occasion. So fun. Love these little guys. There will be more of these die sets coming out. So if you invest in that envelope template, you'll be able to use it for lots and lots of occasions. These are just the first 5 coming out. Okay, so let's keep moving on here. I've got lots to show you. This is from our flip card dies, flip cards line. And what it is, it has a separate die as well. This works for all of the sets. There are multiple sets in this line, and here's how they work. So it flips open like this. This also is a front and back. So the back comes in the set as well as the front. And you can see in here, sentiments also are included. So the die, you can see the little die like this, cuts out this little notch in your card. So scores and cuts out this area. And then when you open it, it flips up and then flips down. So you have the sentiment back here and the back of the little characters. And here's another sample of that. Isn't that cute? Hey, pumpkin, happy Halloween. So cute. Check out the gift card or the flip cards on our website. So if you go to artimpressions.com, type in flip cards in the search, and you'll see all the different ones come up for this line. Okay, I got to show you this one because I love this set so much. This is called the Skeleton Wiggle Wobble. It comes with the dies that cuts out all the pieces, the action wobble, and the little brads. So everything is included in here. And here's what this little guy does. He just sort of jumps around on his little action wobble. I just think he is so cute. The dies cut out all the little pieces, and then they are attached with the brads. And he is in the card on his little action wobble. So cute. Comes with sentiment, shake, rattle, and roll. And that is exactly what he's doing. And look how cute his little hat is. So the die cuts out the little slit here so that it sits right on top of his head. Also more available in this line. So if you look up Wiggle Wobbles, you'll see all of these on our website as well. So let's move on now to our, these are our cubbies. Now this is one of our most popular lines. Here are the Halloween ones. This is a little set with owls, so it's a stack of pumpkins. The die is included, and the dies for all these little guys are included. So these are full body little characters. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little owls, and the die cuts out all of the owls and cuts out this large image as well, opens the doors and the windows. So when you line that up, cut this out, all little doors, windows open up. And you can see on this sample, here they are. And you can tuck these little owls in, put little witches hats on them, and they're just so cute. They're just really cute. There are also many in this line. So here's just a couple. Let me just show you this one too. This is the Halloween one. Isn't that cute with little lights on inside? So, so cute. Hey, pumpkin. I love it. And these little owls. So they're really, really versatile because they are full-bodied. You can use them for lots and lots of different things. Really, really fun. Here's another one. This is another one in that same line of cubbies. And it's kind of autumn, so, you know, here's some little pumpkins on the sample card. But this also does the same thing. So you can see the little windows and doors open, and then the little critters are inside. And this one also comes with all the dies, all the characters, and you can see how jammed full these sets are, as well as the sentiments too. So lots of little woodland characters with their little tree house. And then again, these are all full body images with dies that cut them out completely. So really, really a great value. Everything is included in here that you need, and you will just have so much fun with these. Kids love these so much. They love them. Here's another one of my favorites. This is called the Holiday Mansion line, and what this is a holiday mansion that looks like this. It's a little house. Also, the dies cut open the doors and the windows, and you can see in here the little shutters, the little sentiment, the windows, the doors open up, and it's an all occasion. So the house itself is simple, but we have sets to make it into whatever holiday and whatever occasion you would like. So here is the Christmas and Halloween one. Now this one is loaded because it's got Christmas and Halloween together. This is the Holiday Mansion accessory set, Christmas and Halloween, and you can see it comes with a little Santa and the Christmas tree, a little sign, presents, and then the Halloween one, you can turn this now into a little haunted house. So let me show you the difference here. Here's the little Christmas one. You can see the doors open. There's a little Rudolph inside. Here's Santa. See the little shutters on the window, and the die also cuts out the little window panes. So cute. And then you can turn it into a little haunted house just by using the Halloween set. So really, really fun, really, really versatile. This is one of our most popular lines. People love this. Here's another one. This is the garden set. You can see little doors open up, same. And this changes the whole look again. So you can see how different all three of these are just by the sets that you're using. So really versatile. Check those out. Go to Holiday Mansion on our website and you'll see all the sets available. There's a garden. There's a birthday set. This is Easter and Valentine's Day. And then of course we have Christmas and Halloween in one. So this is a great value. The Halloween and Christmas is a great value. Okay, let's go through these. These are our clear sets. These are great for Halloween. These are some of our newest releases. I love this set. I love these little guys on the broom, of course. And look at this little spider. He is just flying along with his eyes wide open. My favorite thing about this set is the sentiment, 3 sheets to the wind. I just think that is hysterical. And here they are, 3 sheets to the wind. So, so funny. Huge clear set, loaded with sentiments, loaded with characters. Here's a really cute sample of it. Just so cute. Here's that little spider again. Just hilarious. And the cat, he is just hanging on for dear life. Love, love this set. And for all of you animal lovers, don't tell me you've never dressed up the animals for Halloween. So this sentiment says it's Halloween, time to dress up the cat, who is not having any of it. And time to dress up the dog, who's also very annoyed. So really, really funny. Trick or treat with all the bones and everything in it. Just so fun. Happy Halloween. Really, really cute. Here's a really cute sample card with that. This one's great for harvest. So it's got all these little characters. May your life be filled with thanks and giving. Little squirrel, little hedgehog, and of course our little fox with his cup of hot cocoa or maybe some spiced latte. That would be so good. Again, lots of sentiments on here. This one, I love this one. We've got their little girl. She's got her black cat. Too cute to spook. Lots of pumpkins. I mean, just loaded with stuff on here. Best wishes to you this Halloween. And this one, they are Shake, Rattle, and Roll, and they are doing the Monster Mash. Of course, that's what they're doing, the Monster Mash. And how cute is this card? So, so cute. Little mummy. And here he is. You're my favorite creeper. Isn't that the funniest sentiment? I love that. Here's for all you cat lovers. This one, so cute. Happy Halloween. And scare up some fun. Love it. And all of our funny cats. Cute little owl on here. Again, so much in these sets. For those of you who love the girlfriends, here's our girlfriends all dressed up for Halloween. She's got her pumpkin suit on. She's got her little witch's outfit. And of course we have our string of spiders, which, you know, it's got to be in every single Halloween one, I think. And here they are all colored up. So cute. Here's another one, really silly. Happy Halloween from the old bat. So for those of you who like sending silly things, this one is full of silly things. I'm here for the booze. Isn't that funny? Black bats are flying and witches are seen. Here comes the booze. It's Halloween. So fun. Here's a couple of Thanksgiving ones. These are so cute. This is a very traditional one. Thanksgiving starts with grateful hearts. For those of you who want to send something traditional and those of you who want to send something silly, this one says it's Thanksgiving time to dress the turkey, and here he is all dressed up in his glory. So fun. This one is hiding out. He's got his little mask on. Happy Turkey Day. So full of thanks. Love that on here. Love that sentiment. So many things, you guys, for Halloween. So many things for fall. Head over to artimpressions.com. Don't forget to put in that coupon code 𝐂𝐢𝐲2020 and get your 25% off. Thanks so much for joining me, and happy shopping.